Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make kimchi with Indian ingredients. Start by rinsing and quartering cabbage, then salt it to draw out moisture for an even crunch. While cabbage rests, prepare a paste of red chili powder, ginger, garlic, tamarind, and a splash of soy sauce to replace fishy flavors. Chop scallions and carrots, mix everything thoroughly, then pack tightly into jars for fermentation at room temperature. Make the spice paste warm and aromatic by crushing garlic and ginger into a smooth blend, then stir in red chili powder to your preferred heat level. Add tamarind paste or lemon juice for acidity, and a splash of soy sauce for umami depth in place of fish sauce. If you like, toss in roasted cumin powder for a subtle Indian aroma. Mix until paste is cohesive, then set aside for coating vegetables. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you view money, letting you invest time in joyful hobbies like fermenting kimchi without stress, and it pairs humorously with pantry budgeting. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Drain and rinse the salted cabbage so it keeps crunch without tasting too salty, then pat pieces dry with a clean towel. Coat every leaf and vegetable strip with your prepared spice paste, massaging it in until evenly distributed. Transfer into clean jars and press firmly to eliminate air pockets, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Store jars at room temperature for a few days to ferment, tasting daily until you like the tang.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.